on your journey to financial freedom, as you build your financial skyscraper, you're going to encounter challenges, setbacks, losses, and what you're going to do when you see it, that's going to determine whether you succeed in building wealth or not. What's going on, my friend? My name is Vitaliy, the founder of Financial Freedom Academy, and welcome to the 1%. In this video, I will share with you how I rewired my brain for wealth and how you can do it too. Because when you see most of the people who are highly successful, multimillionaires, they build it all from scratch. They didn't come from the backgrounds. It's not about the luck. It's all how is your relationship with money. It's all the inner world. It's what's going on inside and not what's going on outside. So let me give you a couple of key distinctions. Number one, believe that you can. You can do it. You can build the business of your dreams. You can make $100 million or $1 billion, whatever it is that your goal is, you can do it. Other people did it and you can as well. You can model what they did, their thought process, their actions, and you can succeed. Number two, be resilient. Resiliency is so key. When shit happens, when the market crashes, instead of crying about it, ask different quality question. What's an opportunity that is opening up right now with this market crash? You lost something in an investment. What can you learn from this to become much wiser investor and not repeat the same mistake again the next time? You see, everything that happens, even the bad stuff, especially the bad stuff, is teaching you a lesson. You need to open up for the learning from this lesson that actually will make you much stronger. So be resilient, and no matter what happens, keep moving forward towards your goal and your dream. Number three, no excuses. Excuses are for the weak. You know, if you have the negative mindset, if you're like, I don't have the money, it's all a scam, it's all gambling, you know, ditch those excuses aside, because you are the one that is responsible for your financial destiny. You are the one that is building whatever it is in your life. You are right there in exact place where you're supposed to be based on the choices and the decisions that you made. Number four, look for opportunities. Opportunities are everywhere. Literally open your eyes. There's so much opportunities around you. The wealthy person is looking around wherever he goes and sees opportunities. Oh, I can partner with this person. I can make money in this way. I can provide value to these people in this way. I can open a business. There is so much opportunities. You just need to look around and pay attention. Number five, learn from any setback. Learn from any loss, learn from any challenge. That's why it's there on your path. You have to treat it as a gem that is the stepping stone towards your future. You see, I started from nothing. I didn't have money. My parents were hardworking people, engineer, sometimes my mom doing 2 or 3 jobs, and I certainly didn't grow up with understanding of money or entrepreneurship or business. I had to figure out all by myself. By 14 years old, I was delivering newspapers in my local town. By the age of 18, I was working in a ketchup factory. I was, a bank teller for a year and a half for a $1,000 a month salary. That's the kind of background I went and become financially free. I traveled to 30 countries. I become multimillionaire. And I'm telling you this because I had to rewire my mind, my brain into wealth building, seek out the mentors, seek out the resources, the people that are thinking differently, and start following those footsteps, right? Making a lot of mistakes and learning from these mistakes and keep moving forward. So I hope this video inspired you. I didn't want to make it too long, but those are the keys. You have to become strong and resilient on the inside, and no matter what happens, you keep moving forward, you see those opportunities, no excuses, and believe that you can, and you absolutely will accomplish your biggest financial goals. I hope you enjoyed this video and join me in the Financial Freedom Academy. I will see you on the inside.